Hello viewers, I am Professor L.M. Mavintho, Department of English, RTS College, Ranebennur. It is my second video on grammar. Today I would like to speak on articles, a very simple grammar topic. For BA, BSc and BCom first semester students are going to face a question on articles. The question will be like this: fill in the blanks with appropriate articles. It's a 5 marks question. Articles are words used to modify a noun. In other words, we use articles to point out or refer to nouns in conversation and writing. The three articles are a, an, and the. Actually, we classify articles into two types. One is definite article. The second one is indefinite article, a and an. Actually, these three words, the, a and an, they don't have any independent meaning, but they give meaning when we use them in our language. Definite article, the, is used when you are referring to a specific or particular noun, that is person, thing or place. Indefinite article are a and an, which are used when you are referring to a non-specific noun. Between a and an, a is used before a consonant and an is used before a vowel. Why I am pronouncing article a instead of a? A is an alphabet, a is a sound. In English, in phonetics, there are many sounds. I will speak in the next topic. Today, I focus only on articles. Use of article a or a. A is used before a singular noun beginning with a consonant and giving the sound of a consonant. For example, he gave me a book, a pen and a paperweight. A is also used before a singular noun beginning with eu or you, but gives the sound of u. That y is not pure vowel, it is a semi-vowel. Therefore, we have to use article a before the noun which is beginning with eu or u. For example, I went to a European trip. Second is, I met a university professor. Look at here in the second example, university, though it begins with vowel letter that is u, but the pronunciation of the u is y-o-u. Therefore, here an appropriate article is not an but a. Therefore, I say I met a university professor. And a uniform, a useful task, etc. A is also used before a singular noun beginning with O but gives the sound of W, that is W. For example, today a one-eyed man gave me a 1 rupee note. Look at the example, one-eyed. O-N-E, one. This word begins with O, but the sound is W, that is W. Therefore, the right article is A. Use of an. Let us focus our attention on one of the indefinite articles, that is an. An is used before a singular noun beginning with a vowel. As you know already, there are 5 vowel letters. They are A, E, I, O, U. As I said already, there are many vowel sounds in English, but these are vowel letters. Why these are called vowels? A, E, I, O, U. Because while producing these sounds or letters, there is no obstruction in the mouth. There is no hindrance. They are flowing, they are coming out naturally without any obstruction in the mouth organ. Therefore, they are called as vowel or vowel sounds. For example, the girl with an umbrella was eating eggs. Second is, baby tasted an orange and an apple. Look at here, umbrella, a word which begins with vowel U, therefore it is an umbrella. In the second example, words orange, apple, they are beginning with O and A respectively. Therefore, the right articles is an. An is used before a singular noun beginning with a consonant but producing the sound of vowel. This is very strange example. Usually in the competitive examinations, this type of question will occur, you see. Therefore, please listen to me carefully. Here, that is a word which begins with consonant letter, but the sound is vowel. Therefore, here we have to use an indefinite article, not a. For example, an MLA talked to an SSLC student. Look at MLA, that M, the sound in the bracket you see, that is EM, M, and SSLC, that is yes. So, these are vowels, therefore here an MLA and an SSLC. An is also used before a singular noun beginning with H and which is silent in a word. For example, an honest man waited an hour to get a seat. Look at here, the word honest. We are not pronouncing this word ha, but a. Therefore, H is silent. So, we treated that is O is a vowel. So, the right article is an honest, an hour, and also an heir, an honor, and etc. Next we come to the next article, that is the, which is called as definite article. We have to use and pronounce this word the and also the before vowel sound and the before, that is, consonant. The is used before rare things. For example, the sun, the moon, the sky. These are unique. These are very rare. Only one sun, the moon, the sky, even also the earth. The next example or the rule is, the is used before the scriptures. For example, the Vedas, the Bible, the Quran, the Mahabharata, the Ramayana, etc. Blindly you can use the definite article the before the names of the scriptures. The is also used before the directions. For example, the east, the west, the north, and the south. Use of the here like this. The is used before the nations, political parties, and newspapers. For example, the United States of America, the Congress, the Indian Express. Irrespective of vowel sound, we use definite article the, and here the Indian Express. The is also used before a proper noun which stands for a common noun. For example, Kalidas is the Shakespeare of India. Actually, we should not use article before proper noun, but Shakespeare is a proper noun. But in this context, in this example, it is used as an adjective or a common noun. Therefore, we have to use here definite article the. That is, Kalidas is the Shakespeare of India. Perhaps we can say Kalidas in the skill of writing dramas using romantic feelings and etc. is equal to Shakespeare in this regard. Therefore, we can compare Kalidas to a Shakespeare. Hence, we say Kalidas is the Shakespeare of India. The second example is Kashmir is the Switzerland of India. The next rule is the is used before historical places and community centers. For example, they visited the Taj. It is an historical place, and also the Red Fort is another historical place. The is used before the responsible post. For example, who is the Prime Minister of India? Look at here, you see, the Prime Minister post in this country or in anywhere else, that one, it is a responsible one. Therefore, according to rule, we have to use definite article, that is the. So, the example is, who is the Prime Minister of India? Next, the is also used before superlative degrees. The best example is Dhoni was the best captain of Indian cricket team. You see, the tallest, the smallest, the youngest, the most beautiful. Wherever the superlative word comes or superlative degree, there you can use the definite article, that is the, before superlative degrees. And next, very important view is omission of the, where we must not use article the. The is not used before proper noun. For example, Sundar Patel lives in Bengaluru. we should not say a Sundar Patel or the Sundar Patel. Only in exception, that is where I used, the Shakespeare. Because Shakespeare and above is used as a common noun or an adjective in comparison with Kalidas. There we use the definite article. But here, obviously, one should not use article the before proper noun. For example, Sundar Patel lives in Bangalore. We are not using here, you see, a or an or the Sundar, and also a, an or the Bangalore. So don't use article the before proper noun. The next is, the is not used before an abstract noun. I think abstract means it is not visible to our eyes, but we feel it, we experience it. For example, God, beauty, honesty, they're all we feel and experience. We never say, we never see these. For example, honesty is the best policy. We never say the honesty. We simply say honesty is the best policy. The next is, the is not used before languages also. For example, English is read all over the world. So English is a language. We never use the English. Therefore, the correct is English is read all over the world. The second example, English is language of the English. In the second part of the sentence, the English I used here, but here English not as a language, but as a nation. In the first, subject, it is English is a language. Therefore, I have not used article, but in the second part, the English, because here English is nation. Therefore, we have to use definite article the before the names of the country. So, articles appear to be very simple, but we do commit a lot of mistakes while using them. But anyhow, listen to me carefully. There are mainly two articles. One is definite article. The second one is indefinite article, as I mentioned already, and the omission of the, and also the proper use of all two articles are the articles like a, and the. Thank you for listening. Thank you, one and all.